Hello, welcome back to our channel and you are watching Ritu's Mirch Masala. Today we are gonna prepare healthy version of pizza base, that is whole wheat pizza without yeast. If you like my video, don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. For making atta pizza, we have taken milk at room temperature. Here I am adding the vinegar. I'm not telling the proportions, actually they're all mentioned on the sticky note. So make sure that the milk is at room temperature. Now we'll take up atta or whole wheat. So you can see that I am not pressing the flour at all. So I am just doing it once again. Please don't press it, just take it this way only. We don't have to press it, and we have to take 2 cups of atta or flour. And we can take any ordinary teacup as well, which is generally available at home. So here I am taking baking powder, baking soda. So I've taken small amount of salt as well. That's according to taste. That's all as per your taste. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So here I am adding oil. So you can add refined oil, or you can add any vegetable oil or olive oil, but please don't add mustard oil to it. So here we have the milk, which has been changed to buttermilk, and we'll knead the dough gently. We don't have to knead the way we generally knead for making roti. So this is a very easy recipe, and it's a guilt-free recipe because we are making it so healthy by using first of all atta or whole wheat flour, and at the same time we are adding milk to it. So we can easily give it to kids as well. So that will make sure that we are giving them something healthy. So here I have kneaded the dough, and you can see the dough is a bit sticky. Doesn't matter, we don't have to worry about it. You have to make it sticky dough, and we did leave it for some time, covered it with polythene or cling wrap. In the meanwhile, we are going to cut the circular sheet for this the tawa, and after 1 hour we are going to remove the polythene sheet which I had covered, and just let's see, the dough has come out to be soft, and now we are going to bang it on the counter. This banging will ensure that whatever cracks in the dough which were previously because of the rawness, now that will just go off. We have to do this process for 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 minutes, I'm sorry. And after doing it for 4 to 5 minutes, we have dusted it with the refined flour, and see how smooth the dough is now. It was very raw earlier, but now after kneading it for so long, the gluten got activated, and see, the dough is without any cracks. Now we are going to roll into a log. We can keep on dusting little bit of maida or refined flour or all-purpose flour, and we'll change it into a log. Now we're going to cut it into 3 parts, equal parts of course, and we will roll these into pizza. So here I'm going to grease the tawa with a brush, and we're going to put the sheet, and now the step is to preheat it. So it's already preheated, and here we are going to roll it. Some people roll it with their hands also. Well, that is of course a good way, but then this is another way for people who cannot roll it with their hands. So here I am going to prick it with a fork. This will ensure that it won't puff up while cooking. So here we are going to cook it. We are going to cover it with the lid, the same lid, and the flame is at low at this stage. Please don't cook it, And you can see now the bubbles have started forming. That means our dough was perfect. So this will ensure the softness of the base. So as I said, don't make it brown, don't overcook it. You can see that how soft the base is. I've got the camera close to my hands. You can see how soft the moist is. So with this much we can make 3 pizza bases easily. So is your pizza bases all set to cook the pizza?